Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting video that I've been waiting literally like 2 weeks to film, but I haven't gotten around to it. But today I'm finally here and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys, and today's actually going to be an unboxing, which, oh my god, I'm sure you guys are going to see by the title, but oh, I'm so excited to show you guys because I haven't opened it myself yet. I mean, obviously I went to the store and stuff, but okay, let me start talking about it because you guys don't know what it is yet. But this is a gift that I'm so grateful for. My boyfriend actually got me an early birthday present. So my birthday is actually October 8th, and he decided to surprise me a little earlier and get me this, and it's something that I've been wanting for a really long time, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to have it. I know it's definitely something that's really expensive and not everybody can have, and I'm aware of that, and I'm super grateful that I'm able to have this. So let's just get on with this video, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you. I'm so excited to open it, guys. Here she is. I'm just gonna take it out of here. Oh my god, guys, the whole experience of going to buy this bag was like so great. The person that helped us out was so awesome. I opened it a little bit. I didn't fully open this, so I'm just gonna take this out of here. I don't know, what do you guys do with this? I'm just gonna set it to the side. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it opens up right over here, and this thing is so cool because, guys, look at this. It just comes open like right here, which I think is super awesome. I'm gonna lay this over here, and then I'm just gonna take it out. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited to open it. Oh, okay, guys, ready? So I'm just gonna take it out of the bag. Oh my god, here she is. Oh, this is the first time, as you guys see, I'm like literally taking it out of here. Oh my god, it's so nice, guys. Look at this, guys. So this is the GG Marmont. I'm gonna put the name over here and everything so you guys can see it. But guys, oh my god, look how nice it is. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm just gonna take these things off. I've been waiting literally to just take all of this off, so you guys can see the bag in its full. Okay, I'm just gonna, I think I need scissors for this. Let me just see if I can. Okay, no, I got it. Oh my god, guys. Okay, it's off. It is officially off. Whew. Okay, guys, here it is. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so freaking beautiful. I'm gonna connect it right over here so I can wear it like this. I think you just put this right through. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take the strap. I'm not sure how long I want it yet, but you can definitely like adjust that, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm gonna leave it like in this one and just put this right through. Okay, guys, I have to turn on my fan for the remainder of this video because it's so hot in my room. So we're just gonna roll with the fan on. I'm gonna speak a little louder so you guys can hear me, but I'm just gonna open it. This is kind of like the stuffing so that it kind of holds its shape. I'm definitely gonna keep this so that once I'm done using the bag today, I can put it right back in. Okay, guys, so here it is. It has this really nice material that it's supposed to be like super easy to like clean out and everything. So that's kind of like another reason why I was sold on this bag, for that specific reason, that you can take this all the way out and clean it. They showed me that if you want to adjust it down, you can wear it like this, and if you want to adjust it up, you can wear it like this. So I think it's really cool that you kind of have like both ways to wear it. I think it's such a beautiful bag, and I'm so grateful. I know I'm gonna wear this bag literally all the time. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna include a picture of me wearing it right over here so you guys can just see it styled and everything. So yeah. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!